It's just like me and getting out and being around people. I don't know. Like I don't know. Diamonds on my neck. Diamonds on my grill. Woo. Who's there? It's an East Side thing, eh? And y'all, everybody named Mama is out today. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another video. Alright y'all, so I just feel like vlogging today, honestly, and yeah, so we already on the road. I went to get groceries. Girl, let this car just don't want me to get over. Girl, I'm getting on the freeway, y'all, and they driving like maniacs. But yeah, I went and got groceries earlier, and we had breakfast. I'll insert the clips of that. So I'm just doing a quick pickup so we can get breakfast out the way, and y'all know I had to get my fresh flowers. They so spring, I love them. Alright y'all, so we made it back home from the grocery store. Now I'm about to cut my flowers. I told y'all to make my flowers last. I like to cut the stem and cut like the leaves off to give it that aesthetic look. And I thought these flowers were so cute for spring right now. What are they, tulips? I need to really get on my flower name game because I just be getting flowers. But I'm pretty sure these are tulips. I wait to get my new camera. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Just cut the bottom, add a slant. These are real easy to cut, unlike my other flowers. Super cute. Love that spring vibe. Alright, so these are the flower arrangements I made. They are so cute. So I'm gonna put this one, I'm gonna leave this one on the table here, and I'm gonna put this one on the island. It looks so good, y'all. Jackie always make the best breakfast. And then we got Jackie plate, y'all. Oh, this look real good, like a whole picture. Got some grits, some eggs, sausage, bacon. This is a cheat day, it's the weekend, but now I am on the road like I just said, and we are on our way to Marshall's to get some pot holders for the flower pots because they just sitting around looking crazy. So yeah, they need some homes to chill at, so that's what we're about to go do right now. But yeah y'all, I'm still doing a natural flow. Got my hair in a ponytail, got my, you know, ends down or whatever. Got a little bang going on. We look a little crusty right now, I ain't gonna hold you up, but we about to get it together. I'm just, yeah, about to run these errands, and y'all about to go with me. I hope y'all having a good day though. You know I gotta throw the piece in. Ooh, ooh. Let me grab this camera. Made it to Marshall's. I'm just trying to get my head together before I go in there because I don't want to buy stuff I'm not supposed to buy. Like seriously, I gotta get it together. Like all this home decor. It's like I'm just at Toys R Us or something and I'm grown. I got the money, I could buy it. So no, we're here to get 2 freaking pot holders and that's it. That's it. That's it. Let's go. This is cute, $30. I don't know if it's a pot holder or not, but this was in there, so I guess so. Patio chairs. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Why did I have to see this? Y'all know they got the cute little wood. I don't need any more right now. That's a cute little display thing. They got these little organizers, $6.99. The spinning one for $12.99. Little jewelry box is cute. Y'all, they don't really have much else here. Some stools. I didn't even find the plant pot holders in there because for some reason they don't have them anymore. So I got some I wasn't supposed to get. So yeah, now we're about to go to HomeGoods, see if they got it real quick. If they don't got it, then I'm pretty much over it. I ain't really tripping on a push. It's a chill day. So let's go in here and see if they got the pot holders in here. I already know everybody and their mama gonna be in there. It's Saturday and everybody is out on the road, bro. I don't need to put my seatbelt on. It's literally right here. It's literally right here down the street. Please let me turn. Please let me turn. El Capitan.
The captain. El Capitan. El Capitan. Yes. Listen.
El Capitan. Alright. So let's get on up in here. Y'all, everybody named Mama is out today. Y'all think I'm playing? Everybody is out here on these streets. Please let me get over. What is going on? Oh, they gonna let a player go? Yes, thank you. Favor. Okay, let me just park right here because I'm whipping the thing. I am whipping the thing. Okay. Hopefully they got some pot holders. If not, child, I'm over it. All right. We out here. You done know, eh? It's an east side thing, eh? You done know, eh?
More life!
Chill out. Everybody start looking at me. These patio chairs are nice. $50, $60. I love these little things. When I put that table upstairs, I'm thinking about putting that on there. I don't see no pot holders yet, y'all, so it's probably gonna be a wrap for today. Probably have to look for that another day. It's so nice. Love that. Look how creative that is, y'all. Like the monkey bars. That's so sweet. Made in India. Y'all, this candle holder is so cute. They got a lot of laundry baskets and linen closet stuff. Y'all, everybody named Mama in here. I'm not saying excuse me. Let me go ahead, because this lady's staring my face off. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh my goodness, this two-piece panel is now $63. I'm low-key gonna have to grab this. Because why is this only $63? Once again, did not find the pot holders, but we got some other stuff. So I'm gonna just get this crap and get out of here. But it was on sale though, so I don't feel too bad. They know what they doing putting this stuff by the checkout because I'm looking at everything too. That's cute. I got their 4th of July stuff out, y'all. They ready. This smells so good. My sister be using this. I'm back in the car, as you can see. We did not find the plant pots like I wanted to find, but we did get some nice little things I'm gonna show you when we get home. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have to check at like maybe Home Depot or Walmart another day. So we'll see about that. But I already said I wasn't gonna go to the store on Saturday, but I don't know why I went today. But I went today because, well, I know why I went today, because I barely get any off days. So yeah, everybody and their mom was there like always, breathing down my neck. So I'm just exhausted. I'm just ready to go home and just show y'all this stuff and lay down and take a whole nap. Because like, what? I'm tired. And then, oh shoot, I was supposed to turn that way. Frick. I'm gonna turn around in somebody's driveway. They'll be okay. I'm your cousin, okay? I need to turn your driveway. I need to borrow your driveway. I hope it's not no KKK family. Oh, don't get mad. Oh, let me hurry up trying to hit this U. I would hate somebody to turn around in my driveway, so let me hurry up. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to just chill for real when I get home after I show y'all the stuff, and then throw on some clothes and go to this birthday party. Girl, I barely want to go to that. I'm tired. I don't know what it is. Just like me and getting out and being around people. I don't know. Like I don't know. What is going on with me lately? Like I like to be around family and friends, but I just be like, I just want to be in a bed, child, like, or just record a video or something. Like, I don't know. Like, I've been weird lately. I need to get out of that. What do y'all be doing on the weekends? Like, I wanted to go to Topgolf today, but you gotta make a reservation like a year before, like, to get a freaking table. But we're gonna go to Topgolf pretty soon. I want to go somewhere real fun where I could vlog and hang with my family. Y'all, let me get home. Hit the jackpot and hit the lottery, yeah. Girl, let me get the number. It's the, I did not want to turn this way. This thing. Oh. Alright, y'all. So, made it back home. I'm about to show y'all what I got really quick from Marshalls and HomeGoods. I hope y'all can see me. Let me turn this light on. Girl, Jackie out there wiping his car down for the 100th time today. He loves washing his car. Oh, I still gotta go show y'all the garage. It's so nice and black. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Bring y'all down some. Got this cute candle holder from HomeGoods. It got like the wood right there and the black right here. I'm thinking about putting this on top of the fireplace and then bringing those log fire sticks I got over here. Let me go get it real quick. Well, I'll get it in a minute when I put it over there. But I'm thinking about taking those down. I make sure I save my receipts now because my sister-in-law and my good friend told me that, you know, if I scan my receipts, I get discounts on, like, I think it's like the Fetch app reward or something like that. So yeah, if y'all, you know, shop a lot, which I know y'all do because y'all watching this stuff, download the app so you can scan your receipts and get some deals. Let me know if you do that. But what else did I get? Since I did not get what I really went for, which was the pot holders, but that always seems to... Who was there? I hope nothing broke. Well, nothing. Okay. So another thing that I got was this cute little rock. Let me come closer. This cute little rock thing. It's like a spa type of look. I'm gonna probably put this in the master bathroom or something. But it was only $9.99. How cute is that? So yeah, I'm gonna put that in the bathroom for our like spa vibes. You know, spa vibes, baby. I got a smaller little towel holder because that long one's just too big for my bathroom door, the master bathroom. So I got a smaller one. Got a little like diamond rhinestone looking things on there. So I thought that was cute. Diamonds on my neck. Diamonds on my grill. Woo! And then the last thing I got was this little black tray. But yeah, just a cute little tray. I think it was only $12.99. So I was like, let me go and grab this. I'm probably gonna put this on there with the other little stuff we got upstairs in the bathroom. So I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. But since I got y'all down here, I can go ahead and replace the candle holder thing more than likely. All right, so let's take this in here and see how it would look. Whoa, almost freaking broke, bruh. I'm in here running for no reason.
All that buffness for no reason.
Dang. Why is you acting up already? You just got here. Y'all let me know how y'all liking that. You know, we can leave those there. I just love those like little log looking candle holders. So we'll leave that there for now. We will put our little new candle holder we got from HomeGoods up here. I gotta get a candle to go up there, but I don't know. I think I like that better. It's giving me height. Cause it just, that statue just gave me height. So I'm like, I need something that give me some height. So yeah. I don't know, y'all let me know. Now let me stop running my mouth and go ahead and get ready, y'all. Oh, I forgot to show you the picture I got. What the heck is wrong with me? Y'all. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it just yet, but I just got this two-piece wall art set, which I think is so nice. I cannot wait to open it. But oh my goodness, look at it. Now I know I said I was gonna try to make it, which I still can, but for now we could have, you know, the real spill. So I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead and grab this. It was on sale for $63. It's normally $95. So it comes like that right there, you know, with the 2-piece. So I don't know, where should I put this? Where should we put this, y'all? Should we put it right here on this wall by the kitchen? Or, so dark in here. Or should we put it over there by the fireplace? Right there, right there. Oh, that was only $63. That was a good find. And yeah, right now, y'all, I'm about to, I guess, go figure out what I'm about to put on for the party. Give me some ice water because I'm thirsty. My throat is so dry. My God, child. What y'all doing today? Let me know in the comments below. I miss y'all. I wish I was hanging out with y'all today.